Hi, hello childrens. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn the names of 10 things to take on a picnic. So let's start. Number 1, mat. Number 2, umbrella, picnic umbrella. Number 3, picnic basket. Number 4, food and snacks. Cap, goggles. Badminton, binoculars. Ball. Last and number 10, camera. That's all for today. Goodbye for now until the meeting will be in the next video.